About to change the front brake pads on 2001 KLR 650. I'm hoping this is a stock front caliper because that's what I got the brake pads for. Gonna pull these two mounting bolts. This thing has an upgraded oversized rotor, and I didn't upgrade it. Whoever had the bike before me upgraded the rotor. Just hung the caliper from a bungee cord just where it ain't hanging from the brake line. They also added stainless steel brake line on this thing, at least for the front. Rear is still factory rubber line. To get the pads out, looks like I'm going to have to pull this little clip right there. Pull it out, and this pin should slide out. Then I can swing this outer pad out and take it out, and this one should just pop out. Alright, I pulled the clip out. Now this pin will pull out. Then you can swing this pad out, take it off, and the inside pad. Looking at this, it don't really look like anything like the pads I got, so I'm guessing this is not a factory front caliper. Good news is the front pads aren't worn out. So now I got to figure out how. It'll give me time to figure out how to get pads for this caliper. So Lord knows what it's off of. No clue. It's a dual piston caliper. I don't know if Gen 1 KLRs had a dual piston or not, but either they gave me the wrong pads or this is a different caliper than came on the bike, and I'm guessing it's probably a different caliper than that came on the bike. This is the shoes that I have, or the pads I have, compared to the ones that came off the bike. Neither one of them's even close. So I'll just change the rears and start doing some investigating to see how to get some new pads for the front. Thanks.